In America, the average healthy lifespan ends at 66. But there is a warrior stance, practiced for over 1,500 years, that can add decades of strength, stability, and power to your body. It's called Kibadachi, the horse stance, and it might be the single most effective exercise for anyone over 50. Here's the truth. Most people don't lose independence because they get old. They lose it because their legs get weak. When you can't stand steady, can't walk confidently, can't trust your own body, that's when aging becomes scary. Kibadachi fixes this in just 2 minutes a day. Here's how to do it. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width, about 1 extra foot on each side. Keep your feet parallel, pointing forward. Now bend your knees and lower your hips like you're sitting into an invisible chair. Keep your spine tall, core engaged, arms relaxed at your sides. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Repeat 2 to 3 times. Over time, work up to 1 or 2 minutes per round. You'll feel it burning in your quads, glutes, and deep hip stabilizers. That burn? That's weakness leaving your body. Why this works? The horse stance activates slow twitch muscle fibers, the ones responsible for endurance and postural support. These are the muscles that keep you standing longer, walking farther, and moving with confidence. It prevents side-to-side falls by strengthening lateral stability, something most exercises completely ignore. Your hips and knees learn to track together properly, reducing joint pain and preventing injury. This improves proprioception, your body's sense of space, which naturally declines with age. Unlike high-impact exercises, this builds strength through stillness, protecting your joints while challenging your muscles. It's how samurai warriors trained for battle. Today, you're training for independence. No gym, no equipment, just gravity and determination. 2 minutes that rebuild what 50 years took away. When your legs are strong, fear disappears. That's the power of Kibadachi. Here's your challenge. Try it right now and hold for 30 seconds. Then comment, did you feel the shake? Where did you feel it most? I reply to every single comment. And if you want another movement that builds even more leg power, watch this next. Over 50, this Japanese movement keeps you independent. Shikodachi, the sumo stance. Click now. Your legs will thank you. This is FitFixen. Stay powerful.